Hello friends, I welcome you all in this new video. Today I'm going to discuss about Redline reviews. This site has created huge curiosity among the people of United States. We'll get to know it is a legit or a scam website. Friends, this is not our website. If you have never ordered anything from this website, this unbiased review will help you in deciding the answer of this question, should I buy from it or not. If you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end. I'll share the way to get your money back. So friends, let's check what this website is providing to the customer. From the images, one can easily understand that this website deals with flags, customizable canvas, etc. Now let's talk about the best selling products. So friends, as you can see on the screen, so these are some products available in the website with reasonable prices. You can check those products by visiting their official website. Now let's talk about the payment policy. So friends, as you can see, there is no payment policy mentioned in the screen. So let's go to the section by clicking on its page. So friends, we have added this product in the cart. Now we will check the payment policy. So friends, after you add the product in the cart, you will get to know that this website accepts MasterCard, Visa, PayPal, etc. Now let's talk about the shipping policy. So friends, there is shipping policy mentioned here. So let's check into it. So as you can see on the screen, these are the shipping information. For flat rate shipping, for most orders, the price is $99 and two-way $5.976 shipping charge. However, some orders may subject to $7.85 shipping fee. All our orders placed under $99 receive free shipping. So these are shipping charges, and the shipping timeline is also mentioned. So the current lead time average is 3 to 6 weeks from the customer order date. In extreme cases, some orders may take up to 10 to 12 weeks from the customer's order date. So these are the shipping information as you can see on the screen. Now let's talk about the legitimacy checkpoints. Before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. This will boost our spirit to make more such informative videos. Now let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this website is a scam or a legit website. This website is protected by HTTPS protocol, which means the payment gateway is totally safe and secured. Besides this, the website has been registered on 29th of December 2015 and hence it is a few years old website. Now if you want to know about the About Us page section, let's check into it. So friends, there is an About Us page section. So under About Us page section, there are 3 sections: press releases, case studies and philanthropy efforts. So let's check one by one. So this is the philanthropy details as mentioned in the screen, where you will get the update regarding the website details. Also, there are few more sections like case studies, where you will get to know the cases with respect to the website. You can check this by checking on the website as well. Also, there is one more tab called press releases, where you can check the press information. So friends, these are the information regarding the About Us page. If you want to know about the contact address, let's check into it. So there is a contact address mentioned as you can see on the screen. It is 5950 Endeavour Way, Tanner, AL 35671. Also the phone number is mentioned. It is 800-308-6708. There is no email address mentioned in the screen or in the website. Now let's talk about the social media presence. So as you can see, this website is available in Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, etc. and hence it is one positive point of the website. Now if you want to know about the return and refund policy, let's check into it. So friends, there is a return information as you can see on the screen. So you can apply for return within 10 days from the date of receipt. Also, you can email them at support@redlinesteel.com if you need any more details regarding this. So these are the return information. Now, if you want to know about the customer reviews of this website, let's check into it. So friends, there are reviews mentioned in the website. Also in Google, we have found there are reviews available. For example, a customer named Teresa B said that my order was here fast, was very satisfied with my order, will be ordering again soon. So these are few feedbacks which you can see on the screen. Also in Google also it is available. If you ask about the website content quality, then it is good, as it is not copy pasted from other sites. So on basis of the above discussion, we can say that this website seems to be legit, but it is better to do your own research, and we advise you to check all these points for all websites before making any payments or selection. This website seems to be legit but need to be researched well before you think of investing money into it. You can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Also, we advise you to do your own research before investing money in any website. Do comment your thoughts about this video. We read all the comments over every videos. Keep commenting. Please like this video. If you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe our channel today. Be informed and be safe.